Hi guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing the April. I know I'm really late, so I apologize for that. But we're going to be unboxing the April Sam's bead box, and this one is called Love to the Mamas, and I'm super excited to open it up. If you subscribe to the box, you do get a coupon to take $5 off a order of $25 or more, which is really cool. And you know, here he talks about how, you know, it's perfect this to make something for Mother's Day gifts. So I'm excited to open this up because I've seen a little peeks of it, and it looks like it's really pretty. So I'm not going to go into great details on reading this. I will put all the details down below on how to subscribe to his bead box and the cost. So to get started, here is the bag that comes in it. So I'm going to start off with these, and I have my little tray, otherwise it just goes all over the place. And these are Preciosa Crystal Bicone Light Amethyst 4mm 25 pieces. And these are what they look like. They're little, really pretty little bicones. Let me just put one on there so you guys can see. So you can see it's just a really pretty little amethyst bicone. So we've got 25 pieces of these, and then there is these Czech glass elephant light gold rosaline 21 by 20mm 4 pieces. And look at that, isn't that cute? Little elephant. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's got like a little bit of gold that I can see. It's got the hole is, what is the hole to this bead? It looks like it's down the center. Let me see. I got a wire here. Oh yeah, the hole is down to the center of the elephant, like so. And so we've got 4 pieces of those. And then the next item we have is Czech glass faceted drops crystal 8 by 6mm 18 piece strand. So this is a strand of Czech glass faceted drops. So there we go. There's that. Look at how pretty those are. These are Czech glass pink heart with gold flower 17 by 16mm, and there's 3 pieces of those in the baggie. Next item is these gorgeous, really beautiful Preciosa crystal silver rhinestones bead. These are 10mm for 2 pieces. We get 2 pieces in the kit. Look at how gorgeous those are. The stones are huge. Then there's a piece from Tierracast, which is one of my favorite companies because their charms and components are so beautiful and really well made. Oh, look, that's where we got some findings this time. We've got some split rings, it looks like, and some head pins. That's what these are in the packet. So about, looks like 4mm and 6mm split rings in here. Let me just double check. And then, yeah, we got lots of those. Those are so pretty. Look at how shiny. Oh, and we've got some oval ones. I love oval split rings. So those are really pretty. So I'm glad they included those. I love, kind of lately I've been preferring the ovals, but I haven't ordered too many. But if I have them, I do use them first. And then you've got these beautiful pendants that came in the kit. That is so cool. And they are these beautiful birds. Okay, so it looks like it goes like that. And the back has a gorgeous bird with, so you've got it both sides. You can either put it onto these two, you know, hang it from these 2 little holes on the side or the center one. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So well made. And then you've got 2 little ones. Same deep detail, only these have 4, so they look like they'd be really perfect for connectors. You've got 4 little holes. All right. That is really pretty. And they come really packaged really pretty with this pink crumpled paper. So that's cute. All right, and then Ooh, look at these. I love pearls. And pearls are perfect for mom. These are Czech glass potato pearl, light pink, 8mm, 8 grams, and it's about 20 pieces. Can you see how beautiful these are? Wow. They're absolutely gorgeous. I hope he sells these separately. So I want to buy a whole bunch. I love potato shape. These are so pretty. Huh. Potato pearl. Very pretty. Look at those. How sparkly are those? These are Czech glass, faceted, round, fuchsia, and metallic, 8mm. You get 20 pieces. We get 20 pieces in here. Look at how gorgeous those are. So pretty. Wow. Oh, so these are 8mm. I love fuchsia. My favorite color of pink. Well, I love all pinks. And then these are Czech glass, textured oval light amethyst, 12 by 11mm, 12 pieces of them in the bag. How pretty are those? Check that out. Such a beautiful kit or box. You see the little texture there. That's so pretty. These are hand cut crystal quartz rectangle, 9 by 5mm. It's a 14-inch strand. Look at how beautiful those are. Whoa. So pretty. Very, very pretty. Look at that. All right, so these are dyed lavender jade, Art Deco cut, 8 by 7mm, 10-piece set. Look at how pretty these are. These are dyed lavender jade. Wow. That is. I put it against the white background so you guys can see how pretty these are. Art Deco cut. These are Czech glass, faceted, rondelle, pink dream, 3 by 5mm, and it's a 25-piece strand. Look at how pretty those are. Wow. Very beautiful. Alright. Ooh, we got seed beads. We got seed beads. Look at how pretty these seed beads are. I'm not going to take them out because they're going to go all over the place, but I like the different. These are Czech glass 10. They're 10-0 seed beads, rainbow amethyst, 25 grams of these. Oh, I like his mixes too. Let's pour these out into the little tray. Ooh, look at that one, that leaf. How pretty that is. I love his mixes. Look at that. These are Czech glass bead mix cotton candy, and it is 2 ounces. Look at that. Look at that stone. Isn't that cool? Wow. Or this leaf. Oops. Look at this leaf. Isn't that beautiful? And then check out this. These are little, like those little cubes. They almost look like pillows. And then we've got these with the center. What are these? These are like faceted. Yep. Faceted with a fuchsia center. Got more of the faceted ones. We've got, I don't know, these have a weird shape to them. That is so beautiful. Look at these squares. I love these square beads. And we've got some milky white ovals. That's just a beautiful, and this is just a sample. There's way more in this bag, different kinds. There's a pea. Let me see. I think I see a pea in there. Let's see. Oh yeah. There's a little pea. Is it a pea? Yeah. That is so funny. Huh. Interesting. So if you have anybody with a P, starts with a P name, it'd be perfect. So that's the mix. And then we have, ooh, these are some of my favorites. Oops, gotta be careful because the strands are not completely sealed. So we've got 5 5 inches of pink tourmaline faceted rondelles. These are 2 by 3 millimeter, and we've got 5 inches, so the 5-inch strand. I love tourmaline. Tourmaline is so beautiful. Very, very pretty. I'm excited already thinking about what I'm going to create. And then we have, last but not least, these little flowers. So these are Czech glass press hibiscus fuchsia 15 millimeter 3-piece set. Hibiscus, you guys know what I mean. Isn't that pretty? I love hibiscus tea. He sent me a tea bag in my last order, which was really cool. So this is all about Mother's Day, and I'm excited to see what I'm going to create. I might come back and show you guys what I made, but since I'm a little late on this month, I don't know. I'll have to show you guys later. Basically, I guess my thought behind it is to start off, the way I do my designing process is that I will start with the main, a piece as a focal bead, like this one for example, and then I'll build off of there. Then I'll start adding, adding whatever I think will match or will look good. And then comes whether I want to use wire or whether I want to use bead, the beading wire, the stringing wire. It just really depends. This one I think I'm going to be using, well, I love doing wire work, but I think I'm going to be using silver, obviously, to match this silver component. So yeah, I will have to show you guys what I make in a different video, because I don't want to delay this any further since we're already in May. So that is the April Sam's bead box. So if you like to watch videos like these, unboxing, I've got a lot more unboxing kits to open up and bead hauls. And so if you want to see more like these, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell on the side so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I have all these videos coming up. And also, I'd really appreciate your support if you could give this video a big thumbs up, as it really helps my channel. It helps my channel grow. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed recently. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.